friends forever.
Next day we're friends for never.
Who say?
You say.
We're best friends.
I say.
You say.
Till the end.
Our friendship's like a slice of chocolate cake.
You're the icing.
You'd be the sponge. When we're together, we become a perfect way to end a perfect dinner time. Quite substantial glass of wine.
A tasty mint goes down a treat and helps my indigestion.
Digest this factual piece of evidence.
I'm your butter, you're my toast.
The gravy on my Sunday roast.
I'm not a fan of your roasts.
What do you mean? You told me that you liked the one I cooked the other day.
I don't remember.
You said you liked the sprouts.
I don't know what to say.
Then you should shut your mouth. One day we're friends forever.
Go take some singing lessons.
What was that?
Nothing, twat.
You're the prick.
Eat my shit.
No thank you, it wouldn't be nice. Our friendship's kind of like a prostitute.
How?
Quite worn out, yet still quite fit. Quite nice ass, great pair of tits.
Well, that's not relevant.
Isn't it?
You're full of shit and that's quite relevant.
Is it?
I'm going to have a think.
Will you tell me what you think of?
No.
One day we're friends, the next we're not. It's so confusing, the whys and whats. What the hell? I thought that we were friends just now. Then I remembered we had a row. We're like Brad Pitt and Angela, but we don't have a child from Cambodia. I'm sick and tired of us having no fun. Stop being pussies and go and work your problems out, son, cause I'm done.
One day we're born together.
One day we're born.
Next day it's stormy weather.
Next day we're torn.
You say.
We're not friends.
I say.
You say.
Fuck you, Ben.
One day you'll be our blood brother. Next day it's.
Fuck your mother. No offense, tell your mum I think she's quite nice. That particular dick was directed at you and not your mother.
My mother used to have a nice smile on her face till Dad went out to get some more milk. He never did come back.